Hey, what's up? So I'm going to show you how to make some money online right now. So I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 to $20 per hour in 5 minutes or less. So I'm going to show you how to make some money online. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because this is very simple. It's a simple method that I'm going to share with you. Now, not many people talk about this method. However, I did some research and I've realized that people are making $10 to $20 per hour just using this simple method. So it's not going to require any money to start. It is free to start. This is worldwide as well. So you can do this from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you have a laptop, or you have a phone, you could do this. So that's the beauty about this. So make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to give you another website that you could go where you can also do the same thing that I'm sharing with you. So stay all the way to the end. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways to share my knowledge with you. So that way you can go out there and you can get started right away. So we're going to jump into the video. Earn $10 to $20 per hour in 5 minutes or less. And this is some make money online method. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you how simple and how easy it is. Now, if you go on Google or you go on any particular high quality website, you've realized that there's always people posting pictures. So you can always find pictures here. Now, people always try to find a way how to either change their background or do some things to make it a little bit better, right? So what I'm going to share with you is a website that is called remove.bg. So remove.bg, what we're going to be doing is removing backgrounds from different pictures. So it's really cool. You could do this in like 5 seconds or even less. If you want to spend some more time on it, you can go for it, and you could take up to 5 minutes to kind of, do it in such a nice way where it's presentable, and that way you can put it out on the marketplace. So I did find a picture, and I found this couple right here. So this is a picture that I'm uploading. On the left side, this is the original picture. On the right side, all the background is gone. So most people don't know about websites like this. So people will pay you to do these things. And I can show you some proof that people are actually making money doing this method. So stay with me and bear with me because, as I told you before, I'm going to give you another website that you could go where you can do the same thing as well. So if you want to, if they just want to remove the picture and just have this here, you could just click on the download button, download it, and you can give it to them. Now, if they want to edit it and they want to do a few more things to it, let's say they want to change, they want to erase like the background. Let's say you want to, like, let me just take this out. Like, what if he wants to like take something out like that? All right. Well, I'm sure he doesn't want that, but I'm just giving you some example of what you could do with this. So background, there's like different color. Like you could change this, you could change it like that, you could do it like that. So it all depends of what they're looking for. They can blur it out. They can put it over a nice background. They could change the background. They could change that. They could change it like this. So there's multiple different ways how you could do that. Now they can even change the color. They can put a red, they can put purple, they can put blue, whichever color they desire. But majority of people, what they would like to do is just to have the background picture removed. They just want it to be clean and they just want to leave it like that. So as soon as you edit this, which is going to take you 5 minutes or even less, even 5 seconds, a few easy clicks. The next thing you want to do, you want to download it. Download it and you want to give it to the customer. Now, where are these people located that are looking for this stuff? People are offering their service on a website that is called peoplehour.com. So if you go on peoplehour.com, I type in hire a freelancer for background removal. So this is absolutely free. You could sign up for it. You can become a freelancer. Look right here, photo video editing expert. This person is charging $13 an hour. And as I told you, this video you can make anywhere from like $10 to $20. This person, 10. This person, $20. This person, 19, 10. This person right here is getting 49. So This guy is a Photoshop expert, and I could see is in Dhaka, which is probably Bangladesh. I don't know, somewhere over there. This guy's from Mumbai. He's from India. So people here are doing this, and it doesn't matter if you're in the US, you're in the UK, you're in Jamaica, you're in China, you wherever you're watching this from. And let me know where you're watching this video from. So every time I create a new video, you're gonna be the first one to be notified, and you can get the brand new strategies right away so you can take advantage of when I upload a brand new video. So as you can see, there's so many different people on here offering services, $10, $15, and you could just come on here and you could do the same thing too. You know, photo edit with experience. If you want to boost things up and you want to, you know, invest a little bit of money to get some more Photoshop. But if you're brand new and you don't have any money, I highly recommend you use this particular website for little jobs like this if people want to edit. Now, here's another great website that I told you I'm going to share with you. It's called online.photoscissors.com. Once again, online.photoscissors.com. And you could do the same thing. You could upload the picture here, and you could tweak it, you could fix it, easily remove backgrounds from photos. How it works, it's really simple. It's really easy. Top reasons to use this particular website. They're giving you reasons. So there's about 3,000 people already like their Facebook page, and you could just upload it and you could just download it. So these are the two websites. And here's a good thing. You can go to peoplehour.com. You can also go to fiverr.com, because if you go on Fiverr, it's probably cheaper over there. So I'm going to see background removal. Background. All right, so if I go background removal, let me just put this up here. Like, look at this, $5 there, 555. So you can have an account here on Fiverr. You can also have an account on peoplehour.com, because on People Hour, you're probably getting more for your money, because you get $20 an hour. Over here, you're making $5. But open account over here and do it as well over People Per Hour. So I just quickly want to shoot that video with you to show you how you can earn $10 to $20 per hour online. You know, this is going to be some fast, easy cash, and you can make money online. So in 5 minutes or less. So make $20, $10 in 5 minutes or less. You can do that. I just showed you what to do. So it's not going to take any technical skill. So sign up. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, Andre Miller Online, check out the first link in the description. Hope you enjoyed that video. Have a great day, and I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Peace.